National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Perry County, Missouri, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Kaufman, or 12 miles east of Farmington, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Chester. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 138 and 139. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Missouri,